Hi, it's Angeline. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you a fun card that I made using the latest Cuddlebug Horse by Unity stamp. So first I have already stamped and colored this cute horse with some Copic markers, and I'm grabbing the Jane Davenport paint oil pen here in Unicorn, and also some colorful gel crayons by American Cross. So first I'm grabbing the Jane Davenport paint over pen here, and because it is in white you can't really see what I am painting, but you can just draw whatever patterns that you want in the background. Next, to create the crayon resist magic, grab your crayons and just paint over your background, and you can see your pattern revealing in the background. So here I'm just using 4 colors and just drawing them in the background really simply, and you can see that I've painted actually some sun and clouds and some heart shapes in the background. So it's kind of fun making this card because you'll see your pattern emerging magically in the background. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!